Big Bang Theory. The Big Bang Theory is one of the most well-known scientific explanations for how the universe began. It suggests that the universe started as a tiny, dense point and has been expanding ever since. To understand this theory better, let's break it down into simple terms, keeping in mind that we are dealing with one of the most complex ideas in modern science. Imagine everything in the universe, every star, planet, and galaxy, all packed into one small, hot, dense point. This point was incredibly small but contained all the matter and energy that exists in the universe today. This is called a singularity. Then, around 13.8 billion years ago, something happened. The singularity began to expand rapidly. This event is what we call the Big Bang. It is important to clarify that the Big Bang was not an explosion in the traditional sense. Instead, it was a massive expansion of space itself. The universe grew from the size of a single point into something incredibly vast. It continues to expand today, and galaxies are still moving farther and farther apart. One common question people ask is, what caused the Big Bang? The truth is, scientists do not yet know what caused it. The Big Bang Theory explains what happened after the universe began expanding, but what happened before is still a mystery. There are many ideas and theories, but we do not have concrete evidence yet. This is one of the most exciting areas of research in modern cosmology. Now, as the universe began expanding, it started to cool down. In the first few seconds after the Big Bang, the universe was unimaginably hot. As it cooled, particles like protons and neutrons began to form. These particles eventually came together to form atoms. The simplest atoms, like hydrogen and helium, formed first. Over time, these atoms began to group together to form stars and galaxies. As stars formed, they began to produce heavier elements through a process called nuclear fusion. These heavier elements are what make up planets, asteroids, and even life itself. In a sense, everything we see around us today, including us, comes from the Big Bang. The atoms in your body were once part of a star that formed billions of years ago.